What's up everyone? Welcome back here to the Mega Moose channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. Well, today guys, we have another Disney packing video, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 items that are Disney parks essentials that you are not going to want to forget whenever you visit the Disney parks. And you're going to want to make sure you have these items with you for 3 reasons, because they're going to help you save time, money, and one of the items you can't actually even buy in the parks. And believe me, item number 5, you're going to want to make sure you have packed and ready for your Disney trip, because you can't even buy it at Disney World. Item number 1 here on our list is packing either an umbrella or a rain poncho. Yes, Florida is known as the Sunshine State, but that does not go without saying that it can get some pretty unpredictable weather. You may check the weather at the beginning of the day, but that doesn't mean that there isn't going to be some random rain shower or thunderstorm that pops up out of nowhere. Having an umbrella or a poncho is very nice also because you can continue out your Disney day without worrying about the rain. Having an umbrella or a rain poncho on hand is super handy because it will help you save time and also money, because the rain ponchos tend to be pretty expensive at Disney. So go ahead and pick up some rain ponchos at the dollar store or at Walmart before you come on your trip. Add them to your park bag so that way you can save time and continue going about your Disney day and not have to worry about getting super soaked. Item number 2 on our list is water. Either bring yourself some bottles of water or a water bottle that you can fill up throughout the day. As I mentioned before, Florida is the Sunshine State and it can get super hot, especially during the summers during your Disney day, and you are going to want to make sure that you stay hydrated. That is probably the most important thing about your Disney vacation, is to have some water and to stay hydrated. Oh, sorry, don't mind me. Buying bottled water at the park can run you $3 to $6 per bottle of water, so go ahead and save that money and spend it on some type of Disney treat instead of water, and bring yourself a water bottle that you can either fill up throughout the day or have multiple on hand. If you're planning on traveling to Disney World and staying at a Disney World resort, plan on having some grocery delivery service deliver you a case of water so that way you can have it throughout your trip. I personally bring a water bottle that I refill throughout the day, and I don't mind the taste of Disney water. However, if you are someone that doesn't like to drink the water from Disney World, you might want to consider bringing some type of flavoring to add to your water to encourage you to drink more water and to be able to refill your bottle throughout the day. Item number 3 on our list is sunscreen. As we keep mentioning, we keep talking about Florida weather, but Florida gets very hot, as we mentioned, and it is super sunny most of the time, and you are going to want to reapply your sunscreen throughout the day. Now, deciding to wait and purchase your sunscreen at Disney World can get pretty costly. It can be pretty expensive when at Disney because it does have that Disney tax on it, but having sunscreen on hand is going to be very nice to be able to reapply throughout your day in the parks. I recommend, if you are checking a bag flying to Disney World, I recommend checking a bottle of sunscreen. If you live close, bring a mini bottle of sunscreen with you, add it to your toiletries, whatever it is, just as long as you have some type of sunscreen with you, because you are not going to regret it. You most likely spent a lot of money to come on your Disney vacation, and the last thing that you would want to do is get burnt the first day of your vacation and be miserable throughout the rest of your stay at Disney. So do yourself a favor, add some sunscreen to your park bag, and make sure you add this to your Disney essential list. Item number 4 on our list is having either a charger, a power bank, or both. We are always on our phone, especially at Disney World, whether it's taking pictures while we're there, posting on social media, communicating with our friends and families that might be in the park. But not only that, Disney is really making a push these days to move a lot of things onto mobile devices, whether it's with the My Disney Experience app, looking at wait times, reserving reservations for dining, you name it. You are going to be on your phone a lot, and most likely that's going to take up a lot of battery. So you want to make sure that you have some type of rechargeable device to be able to recharge your phone, so that way you can continue out your Disney day. Personally, I always have a power bank on hand. I know I use my phone a lot at Disney for vlogging and of course for posting on social media and everything. So I really like having a portable charger with me so that way I can continue doing my day at Disney, but it's also not a bad idea to have a phone charger if you need to stop at some location in Disney. They do have some outlets, various places throughout the park. So I do recommend having some type of device that's going to be able to recharge whatever device you are using in the parks. weeks. So all of these items are definitely essentials when it comes to visiting Disney World, but item number 5 here you are not going to want to forget because you actually cannot purchase it at all while you are visiting Disney World. And item number 5 is gum. Now, a little fun fact here for you in case you didn't know, you actually can't purchase gum anywhere on Disney property because Walt did not want people walking around and spitting their gum various places besides a trash can and messing up his theme park. But one thing that I do really like to have while visiting Disney World, or any theme park for that matter, is some type of gum. Gum's also nice just eating after a meal or just a nice little snack to have, whatever you want to call it. I recommend having gum. I always like having it whenever I visit the Disney theme parks, and you're going to be really sad whenever you get there and you find out you can't actually purchase any gum if you're staying at Disney World. So go ahead and add some gum to your Disney park bag and make sure you add it to your Disney essentials list, but make sure that you do Walt a favor and dispose of it properly. Before headed to Disney World, I always make sure I run through my Disney essentials list and make sure that I have all of these items with me so that way I can stay comfortable in the parks and definitely make the most of my visit while I'm there. So there you go, everyone. There are 5 essentials that you are not going to want to forget when visiting Disney World. I hope you guys enjoyed this list and consider adding some of these items to your Disney essentials list whenever you are packing for your trip to Disney World. So just to reiterate, having these items on hand ahead of time are going to be able to save you a ton of time. You're not going to have to waste time going and purchasing these while spending your time at Disney World. And not only that, you're going to be able to save a lot of money that, quite frankly, I'd rather put towards souvenirs. So thanks so much for watching today, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what your Disney essentials are, if there's any that I missed that should be on a Disney essential list. But if you're interested in keeping up with future tips and tricks videos that I like to share when it comes to visiting the Orlando theme parks, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and I'll keep you posted when a new video goes live. But thanks so much for watching today, guys. Enjoy your trip to the Disney parks and we will see you in the next video. See you guys.